Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we're going to be making chicken vegetable cheesecake. So for it we're having some here bread, next to it cream, boiled eggs, some cabbage, mashed peas, boiled chicken, capsicum, shredded carrots, mashed potatoes, homemade mayonnaise, and we're going to have some chili sauce, pepper, and salt. Okay, step number one, we're going to be pouring in cabbage, next we have capsicum, shredded carrots, mashed peas, black pepper, salt, some chili sauce, and homemade mayonnaise, three spoons. Mix them all. Step, we're having a chicken, around 200 grams, and here we have mashed one medium-sized potato with green chilies, add some black pepper, some salt, about half teaspoon, chili sauce according to your taste, and homemade mayonnaise. Mayonnaise around 3 tablespoons. Mix them well. Add some more mayonnaise. Okay, here we have 4 boiled eggs. Third step. Some cabbage. Mayonnaise, around 2 tablespoons, some pepper, black pepper, some salt, and some chili sauce. Mix well. Okay, here we are going to make the layers of the cake, starting with, first of all, we'll put the bread. Okay, all the edges are removed. Starting with the vegetable mix that we did at the beginning. So you could see the quantity that it's going on each. So we're going to spread it up. So here we have the first layer of the vegetable mix laid on top of the breads. So we're forming again chicken vegetable cheesecake with the first layer again of vegetable mix. On the second, we're going to be adding the bread. So on top here, okay, so here we have the second layer we're forming with the chicken and mashed potatoes mix at the second layer. So here we have the second layer. You can see how well it's been layered. Make sure it's properly done. Okay, so here goes another layer, the third layer we're going to be, which would be the eggs with a little bit of cabbage. So here we have placed the bread. So next goes on top of it. Remember the 4 boiled eggs with a little bit of cabbage and mayonnaise mix. So okay, we're putting the boiled eggs, cabbage and mayonnaise mix on the top, and then we're going to flatten it out so it covers the whole firmly. So now we're putting the 4th layer, which will be the garnishing. So on top we are placing cream, mix, spread it so it covers all of it. So here you could see the layer which we put the eggs and the mayonnaise with a little bit of cabbage. So this is done, and now we're going to on the top layer. Okay, so we're putting on the sides also the cream mix. Okay, so now we're starting with the garnishing. Putting some shredded carrots. So this is part of garnish. Put some cucumbers cut. Okay, here, so mashallah, our chicken vegetable cheesecake is ready, and we're going to put this in the refrigerator for around 20 minutes to half an hour, and after that you could serve it. So please note on the chicken, on the sides garnished, and a little bit on the top. So you could design your own, and this is a delicious chicken vegetable cheesecake to serve your guests. You can see the inside of it. Wow. Delicious cake. So here we have the cake. You could see the layers, the bottom layer, middle layer, top layer, and the very top layer. You could see cake, how the layers are. Wow. Okay. Really nice. Try it out. Give us some feedback. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Allah Hafiz. Ma'as salama. Let's try it out. Yum, yum. Really so nice, tasty. Now you could see the layers of the cake, the chicken, vegetable, cheese cake. See how nice it is? So delicious. Try it out. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you. Allah Hafiz. Ma'as salama.